Back today with hashtag all the hearts from Lantern and Wren. So this is a love or a Valentine's plate. So let me give you a shot of this. So this has all the hearts, hashtag all the hearts. And you know, I'm not a huge heart person, but there are images on here that even I really, really love. So I love this where it's almost like a clover, and I love the scribble heart here with like the little heart missing from it. I think that this is really like this gorgeous, almost bohemian feel. I adore that. And there's some quilting hearts and plenty of individual hearts to kind of go along with everything, so you can mix and match with your other images. Not only is this great for a hearts manicure, but I think this looks great behind other things. So I could see stamping this and then stamping, like if you stamped white and then this in pink over your white and then stamped this in black over it. How adorable would that be? Pretty much anything here you could do that with. This I love for like a French tip. So the gradient effect here I think is perfect for like a French tip or coming off of the cuticle. So, oh look, I happen to be wearing that right now. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Although I guess it probably, you could probably recognize it better like that. Although of course it's cute just like that as well. This is another one that I actually really love, even though I'm not a huge heart fan. I love all of the inset hearts and I could totally see myself using that. And I love this vine with sort of the hearts feel. I absolutely love the infinity symbol of the hearts. Love this with the hearts and the arrows because arrows are so big, and she's got some images with arrows on her other plates, so you can mix and match. I love the optical illusion here and the spirography kind of image here. This is just beautiful. I don't care what time of year. Like, you could stamp this in any kind of color and it doesn't even necessarily look hearty to me. Love the heart and the DNA. I think that would be so great for like a family themed manicure. And I love the infinity sign with the hearts. I think that's really cute. The heart tree is also really neat. And anytime I see something like this, it makes me think instantly French manicure. And then of course I love this, like instead of just regular letters, having the ASL and the heart within the heart, of course. So lots of different images to mix and match. Let me give you a quick shot so you can get a feel for how big those are. And then her full nail images are 1.7 centimeters wide and 2.2 centimeters tall, or 2.1, this one is, centimeters tall. And let's go do some sample looks. Alright, so there's that smoosh, that white, so there's that white stamping over that smoosh mani. I love how that came out. And just to remind you, even though this is a heart plate, right, we don't have to go for those pink colors all the time. But I really do like pink and red and white together for heart manis. So there is that vine stamped over that white background. Alright, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.